Today we'll see how to run SQL queries online without any setup or without any installation in your laptop. So let me start. So just do a Google search and look for Oracle Live. There will be first link where you can see live SQL oracle.com. You'll have to click and then you'll have to create an account here. I already have account, so I'll sign in. So you will also find, yeah, create an account. So you can create your account simply giving your email ID and create credential. So let me first log in. So once you log in, you'll see home, worksheet, my session. So I'll let you know what this feature does. So this SQL worksheet is your main tab where we can do anything. We can create tables, we can write queries. So let me create a table for you. So I have a DDL. Let me create a table and add few rows. So first line, I'm creating a table. So you can see a table is created, and let me select the table. As you know that I haven't inserted anything, so it has no data. So let me insert few rows. So I have inserted 2 rows. Now let me select. So you can see that now we have 2 rows. So it's as simple as that. You can create n number of tables here, load data and fire query, perform joins. But if you want to use existing schema, you don't want to write DDLs, you don't know DDLs, you don't want to or do anything, you just want to directly use already available. So Oracle also provide that to you. So you can use it for yourself and write. So this was a test schema which I created, but there are already a few SQL available for you. So let me look. So this was my schema which I created right now, but you can see here there are a lot of schemas. So academic schema, let me open for you. So here you can see so many schemas. The schema is nothing but a table. So let me click one of them. So here you can see the table, column name, data type and everything. If this meets your requirement and you don't want to do anything, you can directly query from here. So just click on the query, then worksheet will get open, and then we can directly select and perform. But there is one prerequisite with this. You cannot insert data in this. Let me run this. So see, you also have sample data with you. You can directly run your query without inserting, created. You can directly use this schema. There is also one useful tab, code library. Here they have a predefined code. You can directly use that code. So there is a popular question on employee and department, performing join, pulling department for the respective employees. So you can directly use here, and you need not to do. You can see the DDL, create department, create employee, then insert record, and here you can also add your own insert. So let me run this. You can directly run this script, perform action, and all the table schema data will get inserted, and you can directly use those. So let me copy few of the queries from here, and then I can simply show you whether this has been created or not. So you can see, let me run this query. So you can see the data has been populated in this join, and we are able to perform join. Let me also select star one of the table. So see, you got the rows. So this is one of the simplest way where you can directly run your query online without installing anything. Try new use cases, do anything without having installed. You can use already available schemas and build your own schema. You can use code library, anything. So if you like this video, do like this, and also if you have any other way, do let me know in comments. Thank you.